introducing us from group 4. We will make a chocolate sponge cake. Here are the ingredients and the procedure for making it. The first is 4 eggs, the second is cake leavening, the third is a quarter of granulated sugar, the 40 is vanilla, the 50 is a quarter of flour, 10 the last is chocolate powder. The next ingredient is cooked butter, and the complement is a pieces of cheese. The first step is to break 4 eggs. Next, pour in the sugar. After that, add 1 spoonful of cake developer. After the cake riser, add 1 pocket of vanilla. After everything is mixed, then we beat using a mixer until it expands. After rising, mix in the flour. Along with cocoa powder. Once everything is in the stir, then stir again. After that, add the butter that was cooked earlier. Stir again. Putting the dough into the mold, coat the mold with butter. The mold has been smeared with butter, then sprinkle with flour.